So we will filter the mapped reads. So here, what we are going to do is that we are going to filter using the flags. Okay, I'll give an example here. What we are going to do is that we are going to remove reads that did not map to the reference sequence, and we are also going to remove reads which have their mates unmapped to the reference sequence. So that is what we are going to do now. So let's proceed. So let's clear the screen first and then filter the reads. So we will say samtools view -b-f. The F here is uppercase because we are using that to exclude some reads. So we say 0xc. This is hexadecimal. Okay, this is used to exclude reads that's the non-map, and also reads with mate pairs that are not mapped to the reference sequence. So that is what we are doing here. We specify the BAM file, which is bams/father.raw.bam. Then we specify an output. So we say -o. We say bams/father.filtered.bam. Notice how I use the same sample name, but then the extensions here are different. So the extensions are used to differentiate the outputs, okay, for the different steps. So that is what I have here. So I'll run this to filter the reads. Okay, so we have done the filtering. So let's do an ls into the BAM directory, and we will see that file there, the new one we generated here. So we are ready to go. We are now going to mark duplicates. Again, let's go to the Galaxy page and see what has been written there. Okay, so we have that here. So on the Galaxy page, we have remove duplicates. Okay, so that's what we have here. So with this documentation, it's used a samtools command called rmdup, but this particular tool is now obsolete. And so what samtools tells us is that we have to use the mark duplicates tool. That is what we have. So I'm going to use that mark duplicates to mark the duplicates and also remove them. So let's proceed. Let's go back to the terminal. Okay. Now to remove the duplicates, we need to follow some steps. So we need to first sort the BAM file by name, and then we need to apply fixed mate, and then we also need to sort by coordinates, and then we finally mark and remove the duplicate. So let's start. We will first sort by name. So we say samtools sorts. I'll specify threads to be 8, and I'll say -n. That means we are sorting by name, and I'll specify the BAM file. So we say bams/father.filtered.bam. Say -o bams/what father.sorted.n.bam. Yeah, I'm using .sorted.n.bam so that I know that this BAM file was sorted by name. So I'll run this command. The BAM file has been sorted. We are now going to apply fixed mates. So we say samtools fixed mates -m, and we say bams/father.sorted.n.bam. Then we say bams/father.fix.bam. So this is the output file for this step. So let's run this command. Okay, that step has also been completed. Now we are going to sort the BAM file that was generated here, this one here. We are going to sort by coordinates. So we say samtools sort, specify the number of threads, use 8, say bams slash father dot fixmate dot bam. We specify the output, so we say bams slash father dot sorted dot p dot bam. So we are sorting by coordinates, so I'll use this name. So let's run this. Perfect. The sorting has been done. We are now going to mark and then remove the duplicates. So we say samtools mark dup. We say -r. So -r here means that we are marking the duplicates and we remove them. Say dash at, specify the number of threads. Let's use 8. Say bams slash father sorted dot p bam, and we specify the output file. So we say bams slash father dot dedup dot bam. So this is the final bam file. This is what we are going to use. So let's run this command to get that file. Perfect. So that has been done. So we are now ready to roll. We have marked and removed the duplicates. So we have what you call the bam ready file. So we are ready to go. We are now going to perform the variant calling. Okay, so we have removed the duplicates. So this is the file that we are going to use, the final BAM file. So we call it the BAM ready file. What we are going to do next is to index this BAM file. So we will say samtools index and we specify that BAM file. So we say father dot dedup dot bam. So we are going to index this. Now we have it done. So if you do an ls into bams, you will find that the dedup one has another file called .bai. So this indicates that we have indexed this BAM file. So the BAM file is now ready for the downstream analysis.